Quick, inside. Quick, inside, inside. Good boy. I've only ever seen infinity mirrors, infinity boxes. I've never seen someone make an infinity money box. The idea is I use this piece of acrylic mirror finish on the bottom. This piece of just clear acrylic on the top with the lights all around it. I've got mirrored tint to go on this. So 20% goes through, 80% gets reflected, so then they bounce off each other. I want to cut a slot in both of these, so drop the coin through, it falls into another box with a bit of cushioning. So when you drop the coin, it sounds like it keeps going and it doesn't have an end. Hence the infinity. Let's get started. What you need is a piece of timber, a piece of clear acrylic, a piece of mirrored acrylic. It doesn't look mirrored at the moment, but I peel it back. Let's see, it's mirrored. And some mirrored tint. This is 80-20, so we'll put it on the underside, facing it down. Then when we're looking through it with the lights around it, we can see through it 20%. Hope it works. Where did my pencil go? So the idea is that the top piece of plexiglass will sit in the top chamber, and the mirror finish one, we take a little check out, sit at about 30mm in, and the bottom section is where the coins go. Now we'll just move this in, just a chamfer. Just under 2 times the width of the blade. Make sure your tools are turned off before you plug them in. while we're waiting for that paint to dry, we'll have a look at these. So I was going to use LED strip lights around the inside, but I found these. They're little lights that sync to the music, so it'll be interesting to see if it works. If it does, it'll look so much cooler. The only thing is it's got 3.75 meters of this. So what I'm going to have to do, because it's only a light every, like, say, 100 mil, I'll work out what the width is around the whole perimeter and then just keep folding it in, so then these lights will cross over each other. Instead of every 90 mil, it'll only be like, say, 20 or 30 mil. So we go to 600. Alright, that took way longer than it should have. Give me an old test run. Ooh. Boom, 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 boom. Sponge? What's that? A sponge. You're kidding me? That sucks. So I have to redo that because the little box came up. Glue didn't hold it down. Use some wood glue on there and then pump in this one as well. Oh, it's pretty messy in there, but as long as it doesn't move. Let's try this again. There's slight little imperfections, but we'll sand them out, clean everything up and see if it works. Do you like it? Or do you want to clean? Okay. Okay, want some lunch? Smoko! Just made this little slot so I can cover up the imperfections. Just give it a sand up and should be good to go. Not too bad, there's a couple of little scratches that just see in the light there, I think. Other than that, not too bad. So we'll give it a light sand up and see how it comes up. Alrighty, this is the moment of truth. That's wicked. See where we had that little bit of a kerfuffle. That's where that I had to redo it, and I did it, and then everything was glued. Alrighty, so the idea is I drop a coin, it should hit the cushion, and it sounds like it doesn't hit the ground. Listen carefully. That's wicked. Coin. Put in here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. You look good?
It's a shovel.
It's a what?
A shovel.
What is it?
A shovel.